Get my shit off. Pelt. 3 years. Okay? 3 years. I ain't get my shit on 3 years. I should shame a lot.
So you're going to keep your shirt on for 3 years?
Yeah, just last year.
This is the last year of taking your shirt off?
Yeah.
Cool. Look at that back. Good stretch at the bottom, good boy. Good stretch. Good stretch. Good stretch at the bottom, bud. Good job. What's next?
Not sure.
Remember form and remember to breathe. Push it. Control. Control that weight. Control the weight. Good job, man. Take a breather, big boy.
I'm done. Check.
Do some more shoulders?
Yeah.
Cool. Some arms maybe, whatever you want. You gotta do some shoulders. What do you want to do for your shoulders?
Sure.
Some lateral raises? Pick some shoulder exercises.
Moving down.
Remember the form, Kyle, that we just showed you. Control. Control. Good squeeze. Good stretch at the bottom, Kyle. Stretch it at the bottom, bud. Stretch, 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 stretch. Yeah. Excellent. Stretch, stretch, good stretch, good stretch. Good. Stretch, 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 stretch. Slower, slow, 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 slow. Yeah, bud. Slow, 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 slow. Stretch, let it stretch, let it stretch. Good. Up, up, up. Yeah, bud, that's perfect. Good job, man. Boss.
Right?
Like a boss.
Fabrication.
Stay consistent, man. Stay consistent and eat. Good. Control. Control. Breathe. That's it, bud. Stop moving your feet around. Just get yourself planted, bud. You're good. Calm down. Nice and calm. Yeah, man. There you go. Good job, bud. Good. Control. Hey, Kyle, how you like this place? How you like this gym?
I get every good gym.
Pretty good gym? Yeah, the lighting in here is nice. The equipment's really cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, you like coming down here?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. How you feeling these days? The week after prep, how you feeling? It's a week today since you competed. So it's been 1 week today post show. How you feeling physically?
I feel good.
You feel good?
Yeah.
How's your joints, your elbows and wrists and stuff feeling? You feel tight, loose, feel okay?
I'm fine, so yeah.
Yeah? So you excited? We have to go for blood work on Friday. How do you feel about that?
Yeah, I want something like that.
Yeah, it's important though to stay healthy, right? Blood work's important, right? Doctors make sure we're healthy, stay safe.
Yeah, I want something like that.
Yeah, getting stuck with the needle, that part kind of sucks. All right, you're up, bud.
Get ready for this.
Remember to breathe. Good job. Breathe. Breathe. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Good job. Good work, bud. Good job, man. do you want to do next? Get another set there?
No, I'm done here.
You done? All right, put your weights away. What are you moving on to next? Sorry? Use what?
The machine, how much is it?
Yeah, where did you go? Like, you were here 5 minutes, you weren't here. But you can't just leave your things there and expect people to wait on you. That's not how it works. No. You're welcome to jump in with us, but you can't expect us to wait here while you're sitting there and you're on somewhere else. Dude, it's cool. You can work in, we can work in together, but no, it's cool. Nothing personal, man, but you gotta have some etiquette in this too. Cool, man. I don't give a shit about your app. I don't care. I'm trying to work with you. Alright? I don't care.
I don't got more.
Keep your chest up, dude. Keep your chest up. There you go. Good job, man. Good?
Yeah.
All right. Kyle, not it. Push it. Good. Push it. Work that chest, bud. Make a small adjustment. Put your hands closer to the edge. Yeah, there you go. Keep it. It is better. Keep it stacked. I want all that tension on your chest as long as you can. Stretch at the bottom. Nice and slow. Slow down. Slower. Slower. Slower, bud. 3, 2, no, too fast. Go slower. Slower down. Now you slow. Slow as you can. Slow. Yeah, just like that. Now stretch. There you go. Take a break, bud. So, bud, at the bottom, you're going to come down the same pace the whole way down. When you hit the bottom, yeah, fix that here, man. You look good. Stretch those pecs at the bottom, and then try to squeeze on the way up. Squeeze on the way down and on the way up. How you like this Panada machine, bud?
Okay.
It's okay? Just okay? Wow. Okay. I don't think Panada's gonna like that too much, but that's cool.
I gotta go.
Slow it down, bud. Slow, nice and slow, bud. Stretch the bottom. When you hit the bottom of the hole, stretch. You're going up too far off the bench. Come down the bench like you just were. You're too far. You want it in line with your pecs, not your neck. There you go. There you go. Remember the adjustment we just showed you. Try to squeeze your pecs together. Big chest at the bottom. There you go. Slow, slow, slow. Stretch, 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 stretch. Good job, man. Nice and slow, Kyle. Slow, 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 slow. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Good. Stretch it, stretch it, stretch, stretch. Good, yeah, good control, man. Good job, man. What do you think we lighten that weight up a little bit? Yeah, let's lighten it up and go for better form, man. Take your time, push through the pad, bud. Good reps, dude, full reps. Take your time. Don't drop it like that, Kyle. Control the weight. Control the whole time. Control. There you go. But let's make a small adjustment. Guys are jacked. Control. Good. Stretch at the bottom. Good stretch. Good stretch. Squeeze, squeeze. Control. Yeah, man. Yeah. Hell yeah. Good, good reps, bud. Good reps, bud. Good job. The size of this dude. Beefing up. Hey, Kyle, you want to hit a couple shots? No problem. Look at me hit one, bud. Jesus. Yeah. Okay, now walk away. Beauty.
Guy, I just want to play for you. I'm not. I am commercial bodybuilder for you. I just want to know I have to do all my muscle. That way I say way too much. When I'm too much and I shut too much shit.
Hands closer together, bud. A little closer. There you go. And remember, they stack the same. Keep it stacked under. Don't let your elbows drift back. Keep your elbows straight up. There you go. Don't let it fall backwards. There you go. Keep it in front of you, Kyle, your elbow. Heavy?
No, I do like this one.
You don't like it?
Oh yeah, that must be good.
What are you working here, bud?
I'm gonna add a little bit.
Hey man, how you liking those young LA pants?
I like it a lot.
Yeah, what do you like about them?
Anything.
Everything?
Yeah.
Are they comfortable?
Yeah.
Nice. They look good on you.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do now?
I'm not sure if Bobby chest.
Chest? All right.
Yeah, give me a second. So,
Yeah, it's good for kicking ass, huh?
no, I back it a lot. I can't.
Nice.
I need one to go. But shall we? I don't get too excited. Yeah.
Like vitamin D, fats, estrogen, and they'll give you analysis and tell me like, actually something like this, something like that. Yeah.
Good. Yeah, man. Get a shot of those pants, man.